So, whew, it's hard walking through that snow, but we're back to my frozen lake with my cabin on the other side. And what? Do you hear that, Jax? I don't know if you guys can hear that. I'll have to listen to it when I play this back. I don't know what that noise is, man. It's coming from way back there. It's a bit of a marshland, and then I don't know. I know I'm from the city, but I've done a lot of camping, and I don't think I've ever heard anything like that. But that's a weird one. Jax, let's go. Let's go home. We gotta get some snowshoes. Come on, Jax. Come on, buddy. Jax. Come on, we gotta get some snowshoes, or I do.